Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to run your first PHP program in XAMPP server. So let's start it. First you have to download and install XAMPP server on your local computer. But in this video I am just skipping this step because I have already downloaded and installed XAMPP on my local computer. You can watch my previous videos on how to install XAMPP server on your local computer. As I already installed XAMPP server on my local computer, so I am just opening the XAMPP control panel, just typing the XAMPP on my search bar, and you see that XAMPP control panel already started. So in the XAMPP control panel, I am just starting the Apache and mysql. Just click on the start button on Apache and then mysql. You see that XAMPP, Apache and mysql is running. I am just minimizing the XAMPP control panel and go to the XAMPP htdocs folder. Click on the C drive and then XAMPP and then htdocs. Here I am creating a folder named first, and in the first folder I am creating a file index.php. Just removing the text extension and hit the enter button, and now I am opening the index.php file in the Notepad++ editor. So in the Notepad++ editor I am writing just the PHP scripts. Here I will show a message. This is my first PHP program. Just echo the string. This is my first PHP program. And now I will save this work and just see that it is working perfectly or not. So I am again opening my browser. Click on the new tab, and in the address bar I am just typing localhost/first and hit the enter button, and you will see that the string, this is my first PHP program. Okay, I am now writing the PHP scripts within a HTML code. Just going to the editor again and typing the HTML code. I'm just using here Gen coding, then Ctrl E, and in the body tag I will write the PHP scripts. Just cut the PHP scripts and paste here. Okay, in the body tag I am writing a heading tag. I am writing first PHP program. Okay, now save the work and opening the browser again and refresh the browser. Okay, you can see that it works perfectly. Just showing the header first PHP program and then show the string, this is my first PHP program. Okay, I am in the PHP scripts. I am doing a summation, just taking two variables, just a and this value is suppose 5, and a variable b, and suppose its value is 10, and I will take a third variable c, and in the third variable I will write a plus b. Okay, just now I am just echo the c variable, and now I am save the work. Okay, let's see the output. It is working perfectly or not. Just refresh the browser. Yeah, this is 15, 10 plus 5, but it is not separated. Just I am going to separate this. A break statement. Again save this work and refresh the browser. Okay, you see that here 15.